In this video, I will show you step by step how we can add payment method to Steam just in few seconds. This will be an easy and quick tutorial for you guys. So let's get started. So what you need to do first, you need to open your Steam account like this. Okay, go to your Steam homepage, click over here on your name. Okay, then click over here on account details. Okay, and it's gonna take you to this page over here. Scroll down, you should see over here add a payment method to this account. Click on add a payment to this account. It's gonna take you to this page. Scroll down, and what you need to do, choose your card name. If you are using Visa card, choose Visa, MasterCard, American Express card. I'm gonna keep using Visa. Scroll down and put here your card number. Okay, put your card number, then put here your information, expiration date and your security code. Okay, then scroll down, billing information, put your first name and your last name, your city, okay, your billing address and your postal code, your billing address line 2. You can use the same address here. Okay, scroll down, choose your country. Okay, you can choose your country from here. So I already have my country here, and put your phone number. Okay, then click on continue, and you just need to confirm this payment method, and that's it. But it's super easy and simple. That's how we can add payment method to Steam account. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.